The Crossfire Doubleshot kit is a premium safety eyewear designed with the shooter in mind. Featuring interchangeable lenses that have anti-reflective and anti-fog coatings, as well as anti-fog vents, these lenses comply with the ANSI Z87.1 standards, protecting you from flying debris, and each has their own adjustable nosepiece. The kit includes 2 frames and 6 lenses: clear, amber, smoke, lavender, brown, and vermilion, to give you every option you need when you're at the range. Also included is a divided lens bag, a premium lens cloth, and a carrying case. Stay on target with premium Crossfire eyewear from Radiance.